Kuki National Army were arrested by police last evening from Kelongzol village near Laimatak of Bishnupur district. The arrested KNA cadres are identified as Similin Simte 33 and Jogon Hawke 40. The police sources said the two are involved in extortion cases. Notably, KNA is a signatory of suspension of operation. Art feature has been found developing at Faidinga under Imphal West along Leimakong Road, where construction of retaining wall on the road sides is currently underway, according to a report. Traffic along the road was disrupted due to the large crack in the ground. The scientists studying the migratory routes of the Amur falcon longland confirmed that the bird has reached Myanmar on her way to her breeding area in North China and Eastern Mongolia. Longland crossed into Myanmar from Manipur on Monday. Lingtoi Ngambi Art and Culture Development Organization in Thokong Bishnupur district, under the aegis of Ministry of Art and Culture, Government of India, organized a one-day workshop Jalaketi Ras at Sri Sri Govindanath Mandir Ningthokong. Managing Director of the Kakus Education Center Ningthokong, Dr. R.S. Konthausam, presided the event. ICAR Manipur Center has confirmed that army worms, a type of destructive garden pests, are found in the state. After the presence of fall army worm, the invasive worm has been detected at Yaripok in Tawal district. The worm was detected preying on maize crop at a farm in Yaripok Keknu area. The Election Commission of India has ordered repolling in 168 polling stations of 26 assembly constituencies of Tripura West constituency on May 12 next. Repolling was ordered on the basis of allegations of opposition parties alleging massive irregularities during voting in Tripura West parliamentary constituency. Assam Finance Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma and Bengal BJP Chief Dilip Ghosh yesterday evening were allegedly attacked by the workers of Trinamool Congress in West Midnapur district. The convoy of Bengal BJP President Ghosh, to which Minister Sarma was also a part, was attacked by the TMC men at Kejuri in West Midnapur. Two Nazis, including a woman, were killed in an encounter with security forces in Chhattisgarh's Dantewala district early this morning. The face-off took place around 5 a.m. at a forest in Gondera village when a joint team of the District Reserve Guard and the Special Task Force was out on an anti-Maoist operation. An Indian Air Force aircraft overshot the main runway while departing from the Mumbai airport last night. Due to the incident, aircraft movement was diverted to the secondary runway today. 8 people were killed and 25 others injured in an explosion that targeted a police vehicle near the shrine of Datta Dabar in Lahore this morning. The blast took place close to a police van near gate number 2 of the Datta Dabar shrine, one of the Lahore's most popular shrines. The shrine is located in a densely populated area of the city. The nature of the blast is yet to be determined, but the police suspect it was carried out by a suicide bomber.